Hi, my name is Rhonda. Last episode you met Pugsley the rat snake and learned about poaching. Today we're going to learn about another factor that can cause species extinction and how you can take action to help save those species. This is Sprite and she's a Senegal parrot. Senegal parrots come from northwestern Africa. And you can tell that she's a parrot in a couple of different ways. So one is her nice hooked beak that she has that's very strong, that helps to crack open really hard nuts and seeds, as you can see her doing right now with these sunflower seeds. It also works as a grappling hook to help her to climb up through branches in the trees. Parrots also have what's called zygodactyl feet. So that means that she has 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the back. And that helps her to grab on really tightly to those branches in the tree, so that when the wind blows, she'll be able to grab on really tightly and be able to stay still. It also helps her to climb through the branches and to be able to turn around. Parrots can help protect themselves from predators by mimicking. So mimicking is copying a sound. You may have heard parrots talk and say words before, but when they're doing that, they're actually just mimicking or copying those words that they've heard you say. So when they're in their natural range, they can copy the sounds that they hear predators make or other animals make, and that will confuse the predator. Another way that they can protect themselves is by flying. You can see that Sprite has these great wings that help her to fly, not only to migrate to places where there's food and other parrots, but also to get away from predators. So although mimicking and flying can help protect parrots from threats in their natural range, such as predators, it doesn't protect them from the pet trade. Senegals are a very popular species in the pet trade because they're small, they're pretty quiet for parrot species, and they can live alone or in pairs or in very small groups. It makes them more attractive to people as a pet. However, taking parrots from their natural range can cause a huge decline in their population and send them on their way to extinction. You can help species like Senegals by being a responsible pet owner. So one way to do that is to make sure that your parrot has come from a reputable breeder. To know if somebody is a reputable breeder, you want to make sure that that person is breeding their parrots from parrots who are already in human care. That means that none of those parrots were taken from their home in their natural range. Another thing that you can do to be a responsible pet owner is to make sure that parrots fit into your lifestyle. They're very intelligent animals and they need a lot of training, a lot of attention, and a lot of enrichment to keep them busy. They also can live a pretty long time. Sprite here can live to be in her 30s, 40s, or 50s, and a lot of other parrots can live to be over 100. So you want to make sure that you can have a nice lasting relationship with them and that you're able to take care of them for a very long time. You can also be a responsible pet owner by making sure that your parrot has a band on their leg. So you can see this little metal band on Sprite's leg, and that allows us to look up her history to make sure that she came from a reputable breeder. Do you know of any other species that are affected by the pet trade? Let's talk about ways we can help them in the comments section below. Thanks for joining us as we talked about extinction and the actions that you can take to help save species. Continue to follow us on social media for animal and nature-based projects that you can do at home.